people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing and without pressing the bell icon because you don't want to miss out on a lot of hauls and a lot of amazing videos. Before moving ahead, I just want to quickly tell you about the Mera Link. Mera Link is nothing but a different type of shopping app. When you open this app, you will see a separate interface, and I've actually curated few pieces of clothing items and beauty items for you guys, so you can shop directly from there. These are the pieces that I've personally shopped and were at a very discounted rates. And if you do not want to shop from there, you can directly search in the search tab. It can be anything from clothing items to kitchen to home appliances to anything at all. So you can go and check out all the products and get whatever you wish to buy because the prices are damn affordable over there. And also don't forget to check me out on my Instagram account. And as you guys already know that this is going to be a footwear haul. This haul is actually in continuation with a different flats footwear haul that I already made. So I got a lot of pieces, and then I thought that I should actually kind of like divide them into two videos so that I can give equal amount of attention to all of the pieces and give you all the details. So if you've not seen the part 1, this is the Myntra footwear haul. Please do check that out. The link is down below and also somewhere in the screen. And this is going to be the second part where I've got all the pieces majorly from Ajio. So yeah, I'm kind of confused. What should I start with? So the first flat that I'm going to show you has a very pretty, like a burgundy color. The brand is called Adorely. Adorely. So this is how it actually looks like. It is like a black base, and then it has like a ruched effect towards it, which is like in a dark burgundy color. This ruched style, oh my god, I love this one. I've never tried anything in this sort. And this is sort of like a fox leather kind of a material. I got this in my size Euro 39, and I got this one for only 470 rupees, something like that. It has color options in like black color and the nude color. Like the whole thing is going to be black, and then you also have the nude color where the base is also nude and the ruched strap is also nude. You can go for that as well, but I feel like that's gonna get dirty very soon. Size of this is made like perfectly perfect, but this material over here is like very thick, so because of that the room over here for your feet is very less. I've also heard like footwear at the first try may look like they're very tight and close fit, but with regular use they kind of expand when you use it a lot, and especially these kind of flat footwears, I'm sure we're gonna use it like on a regular basis. You can also go for your size, but if you have like broad feet, then you can size up one size.
I begin to
Next piece is from Evercupid. Evercupid is one of the nicest brands when it comes to like footwear, like a stylish footwear on Ajio. If you've not seen my heels video, like my heels footwear video, you should definitely check those out. I've included a lot of Evercupid pieces over there, and they were like bomb ass very good. How it looks like, this is like a square toe styling to it, and then it has a lot of straps over here. You can see a lot of thick straps over here, and they are like very strong. Like these days the square toe styling is literally on trend, and it has like a very tan kind of a base, and it has a cushion thing going on all over the flat. Okay, next thing, usually you find the cushion thing only over here in the heels part, but this is like all over the heel, which is a very good thing. The straps are actually fox leather, but yet they are like so soft and comfortable. I was very impressed with the material of this one. I got this one in my size 39 euro as usual, and the price that I got it for was 580 rupees, but it is like worth. It is cute yet very fancy look to itself. It also has a lot of color options, like it has a black color option, and it also has like a nude option and a light pink option, and I guess the base is the same for all of them. That I'm going to talk about is from the brand called UniQuest, and it is like a strappy flat. Like it actually looks like this is like a black overall going on, and then you have all of these straps in the front, which like a crisscross pattern, like these straps, black straps, and then you have two straps over here which will go all the way to your ankle, and then you tie up this in your ankle. This was the size 39 euro, and then I got this one for 570 rupees. I literally wanted to try this out like a lot, like this ankle kind of thing going on. It also has a buckle at the back, and the overall material of this flat is good, but the straps are not very good. Like I don't feel like the straps are very durable because they're like kind of thin straps, and then at the back they are like of this rough material. I don't know how much durable this can be. If you use the link given down below for this strappy flat, and you open this flat, you will see a lot of other suggestions of other brands having the same this style of flat, so you can choose those from the other brands. So the last one is going to be the one from Adorely. This is my most favorite piece, and this is like a must-have piece, and this is like a piece that I used to own before as well. This is like a staple flat style, but it has like a two broad straps like this, and the color is so sweet, like this yellow, light yellow color. It's so summery, and then I love how it has like a white piping to it, and the base is brown, and the base material is like a velvety material. I don't know if you can understand or not, but it's like a soft velvety kind of material, and it's like very soft to feel. And the sole is also very pretty. Like, do you see like a brown color going on, and then in this white thing going on? It gives a lot of definition, and this is like one of the very stylish pieces, yet very comfortable pieces. It also has other color options like nude and brown and stuff like that. I got this one for 570 rupees, and this is a very good price for this one because it's going to be very durable. I can literally guarantee you that.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
I know this is kind of a very mini haul. There were few pieces which are not reaching me right now, so it's going to take a lot time, so I had to cancel them because it's going to take almost like 2 to 3 more weeks, and I cannot wait for so long. So this is going to be a very short haul over till here. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I've told you all the possible details, and now you can make your purchases. All the links are down below in my description box, and also do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye.